Many of us are suffering due to anxiety, and in the last video we have concluded it's all about the fourth house, but fourth house has many indications and how to be sure that it's not giving, for example, things related to our house or car or education, but it is specifically talking about the mental health. So in this video we'll be implying the Navamsa and we'll see how it is beautifully contributing to identifying this problem. So let's run an intro and start with the first one. The beauty about the Navamsa, just like Aruda, is the possibility to categorize things if it is connected to the specific point. And in the Navamsa, we were talking about this already for few years. It is the 8 and 12 and also 4th from the moon. These are the health challenges of the person. So if anything is connected to these, we can say that there will be some challenge to the health coming into picture. Of course, there may be other issues also connected to that yoga. Definitely health also will be there. And when we talk about the mental health, then the Karaka moon will be quite important. So here I've noticed that when moon is afflicted, connected to the Mercury, also it could be a yogas which are showing the moon like Venus and Node. And also I've observed that Jupiter, especially afflicted by the Vayu Grahas like Saturn and Rahu, in those placements of health are indicating the anxiety issues. So now we are analyzing this side of things. This is some addition to the whole package we will have, and then we'll be able to make more clear prediction. So the first thing in the little peeps, we are sure about his Navamsa because the demise was in the Venus Rahu, and Venus and Rahu are in the 12th house. Also the Rashi Dashas were indicating the Aries. Few Rashi Dashas were showing that. So it is definitely Taurus. And we can see that Venus and Rahu are affecting the moon. And not only that, we can also see that the fourth lord from the moon is that Mercury. So the health point, 12th house, is affected by the moon. This could, of course, give blood issues, anemia, and also more serious blood-related problems. We are also that analyzing on the previous life. Now, the other indication we'll be talking in the next video is that Mercury here is very important for health. And here we see that Mercury and Saturn have parivartana, and then 8th lord is also creeping in. So we have then 4th from the moon and 8th lord afflicted, and the 12th house related to Venus and Rahu. So now we can confirm it is about the mental challenge for that person, because otherwise it could be about other 4th house problems. If you like to book consultation with me, then you can find the link in the description for the 60 or 90 minutes on the Zoom. Now, in the Earl Campbell chart, we see that again we have Mercury related to moon in the 8th. And also related to 12, because this is 12th lord. For those who are not sure about this Navamsa, because he married in the Dasha related to Sagittarius and Aries. Aries is 7th house, Sagittarius have 7th lords. He also had meat related business and restaurants. We can see how moon Venus related to feeding people are aspecting the 10th house. So again, that Mercury is important here. In the next video, it will be revealed why it is so important. But nevertheless, we have moon Mercury yoga, which is now important, related to 8 and 12. So now we have confirmation, whatever in the Rashi chart was talking the story about the afflicted 4th house, it is related to that specific part of the 4th house. This is how Navamsa is confirming things. And in the heterologous chart, we know that Libra was the time when the divorce happened. There we have the 8th lord Mars. So here we have moon and Mercury again affecting 8th house and related to the divorce yoga, which was already present in the Rashi chart. So we are here confirming not only the mental problem, but also coming or being related or going after the divorce. So in all these cases, we have seen how this moon and Mercury are confirming being related to these health points in the Navamsa, which are 8, 12, and 4th from the moon. By the way, moon is also 4th lord from the moon itself. So it is also the 3rd type of confirmation. Okay, guys, that will do for today. In the first video, we were doing the house. Now we are confirming with the Navamsa. In the next video, we'll see how the planet, the Karaka, and also the dispositor of that planet have to agree to this scenario of anxiety to be it something serious. So if you want to dive there, please consider watching this one.